One of the best desktop computers I've come across recently is the Dell Premium Desktop Computer, and my verdict is that it's a solid choice for everyday use. But let me explain why. As someone who's always on the lookout for a reliable and powerful computer, I was excited to dive in and see what this desktop had to offer. And I've got to say, I'm impressed. This thing is built to last, and I say that because the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. It's got an Intel quad-core i5 processor, which is plenty powerful for just about anything you'll throw at it. Whether you're into streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or just running multiple programs at once, this processor has got you covered. It's also got a decent amount of storage with the 1 TB hard drive, so you won't need to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, 1 TB, that's not a lot of storage. And you're right. It's not the largest hard drive on the market. But for most users, it's more than enough. Plus, if you do find yourself needing more storage, it's always easy to add an external hard drive or upgrade the internal one. I've got to say, one of the standout features of this computer for me is the new installation of Windows 10. It's nice and clean, so you can expect everything to be up to date and running smoothly. Plus, the Windows 10 interface is so intuitive, you'll be able to navigate your computer like a pro in no time. With 16 GB of RAM, you'll be able to juggle multiple tasks at once without any issues. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, you'll be able to do it all without a hitch. I've been using this computer for a while now, and I can confidently say that it's been able to handle everything I've thrown at it. From editing photos to streaming my favorite TV shows, this computer has performed flawlessly. Another great thing about this computer is the connectivity options. You get built-in Bluetooth, so you can hook up your phone, headphones, or speakers with ease. Wi-Fi is also built right in, so you can get online in no time. And with DVD capabilities, you'll be able to play back all your favorite discs on this thing. I've also been impressed with the overall build quality of this computer. It feels solid and well made, and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. The keyboard and mouse that come with it are also top-notch, and I've found myself using them more and more as I get used to the computer. I should mention that this computer is also compatible with the Dell Optiplex 9020, which is great if you're looking for a specific setup. Plus, it's a renewed item, so you'll get all the functionality you need at a slight discount. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, renewed? What does that even mean? Essentially, it means that this computer has been previously used, but it's been thoroughly inspected and tested to ensure that it's working properly. And in many cases, renewed items are just as good as brand new ones, but at a lower price point. For a desktop computer that's built to last and perform well, you can't go wrong with the Dell Premium Desktop Computer. I've had this computer going for a little while now, and I've thrown all sorts of things at it. Gaming, streaming, photo editing, it handles everything I throw at it with ease. And with the latest release of Windows 10, I know I'm always up to date and running smoothly. I've also been impressed with the overall speed of this computer. It boots up quickly, and programs load fast. It's clear that Dell has put a lot of thought into the design of this computer, and it shows in its performance. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider before making a purchase. For one thing, the 1 TB hard drive is a bit on the smaller side, and if you're a heavy user, you might find yourself having to upgrade in a few years. On the other hand, the computer feels a bit old school to me. I'd love to see it come with a solid-state drive or something like that. But overall, these are minor complaints, and this is still a solid choice for everyday use. I think it's also worth mentioning that this computer might not be the best choice for serious gamers or video editors. While it can handle some gaming and video editing, it's not quite powerful enough to handle the most demanding tasks. If you're in the market for a new desktop computer, I'd definitely recommend taking a look at this one. It's a great all-around computer that's perfect for everyday use. And with its powerful processor, ample storage, and excellent connectivity options, I think you'll find that it meets all your needs. So, what do you think? Are you in the market for a new desktop computer? Do you have any experience with Dell computers? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to take the plunge and purchase this computer, link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon.